Hello student, today I will explain you chapter 10 Bank and Simple Interest. In this chapter we are going to learn two formula. First formula is I equal to P into R into T upon 100. So P is what? Principal. Principal means the amount whatever we are going to deposit in the bank. R is rate of interest and T is period, that is number of years we are going to deposit in the bank. Now the next formula is A, that is amount is P plus I, that is principal plus interest. So whenever we are depositing some amount, we are depositing and finally we get a amount. That final amount will be what? Principal plus interest. That is will be the amount. So amount is what? P plus I. Principal plus interest. Practice set 40. First sum. If Rihanna deposits 1,500 rupees, 1,500 rupees in the school fund at 9% per annum. Percent per annum means what? For 100 rupees we are getting how much? 9 rupees. So percent per annum for 2 years. What is the total amount she will get? Okay, so first we will write what and all is given. Principal, that is amount which is deposited. That is how much rupees? 1,500. In the school fund at 9% per annum. I already told you PCPA means for percent per annum. That is rate of interest. So we can denote it as R. Principal we can denote it as P. So rate of interest is how much? 9% per annum. So already I told you percent per annum means for 100 rupees how much interest? It is 9 rupees. For how many years? 2 years. So period, that is T. 2 years. So we are going to calculate what is the total amount. So in order to calculate the total amount, first I need to calculate the interest. And then we will calculate the amount. Now, what is the formula for simple interest? I equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, T is the period, that is number of years, upon 100. So here 1,500. What is the R? 9. What is the T? That is 2 upon 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. So what is remaining? 15 into 9 into 2. So when you multiply 15 into 9 into 2, you get 270. So interest is how much? Rupees 270. Now we want to find what is the total amount she will get. So amount equal to formula principal plus interest. That is P plus I. Principal is how much rupees? Rupees 1,500. How much interest I got? 270 rupees. So when I add this 1,500 plus 270, I get rupees 1,770. So amount is how much? 1,770. So how much Rihanna will get? Rihanna will get rupees 1,770 at the end of 2 years. Jeta Lal took a housing loan of rupees 2,50,000 from a bank at 10% per annum for 5 years. So he is taking a housing loan. How much rupees he is taking? 2,50,000. So principal will be what? 2,50,000 at the rate of 10% per annum. Okay. For how many years? 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay? So for 1 year, how much he is going to pay? First we will calculate. And then we will find out the total amount he returns to the bank So after 5 years, how much amount he is going to return to the bank, we have to calculate. So first, Jethalal took a housing loan of rupees, how much? 2,50,000. So here, principal will be rupees 2,50,000 at the rate at 10% per annum. So rate of interest. Rate of interest, that is how much? 10% per annum. For how many years? That is period. That is T. For how many years? 5 years. So first we are going to calculate interest for 1 year. Okay, we are going to calculate the interest for 1 year, and we are going to calculate the amount is going to return to the bank after 5 years. Okay, so first we know the interest formula, I equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now, so interest for 1 year. So 1 year, so formula is P into R into T upon 100. So principal will become what? 2,50,000. Rate is 10% per annum. But period will be 1 year, because we are going to calculate for 1 year. We will not put 5 because we are going to calculate for 1 year. So you put 1 upon 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. So what is that? 2500 into 10. So you will get answer 25. So you will have to pay, that is the Jethalal has to pay rupees 25,000 for 1 year. So interest for 1 year is rupee 25,000. Now we want to find the total amount he returned to the bank for 5 years. So interest for 5 years. So we have to multiply 25,000 into 5. That is 1,25,000 rupees. So for 5 years, how much will be the interest? 1,25,000. Now amount. Amount formula you all know, principal plus interest. What is the principal? That is 2,50,000 plus what is the interest for 5 years? 1,25,000. So you add 2,50,000 plus 1,25,000, you get rupees 3,75,000. So amount he is going to return to the bank after 5 years is how much? 3,75,000. So the answer is what? The yearly income, yearly interest he has to pay is rupees 25,000, and Jethalal will return a total amount of rupees 3,75,000 to the bank after 5 years. Shrikant deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7% per annum in a saving bank account. So how much is depositing? 85,000. For how many years? 2.5 years. At 7% per annum. So here, what will be the principal? That is P. Is rupees 85,000. For how many years? Period. That is T. So 2.5 years. We can write 2.5 years. At 7% per annum. So rate of interest R, that is 7 PCPA, that is percent per annum. Now, what is the total interest he received at the end of the period? So here we are going to calculate only the interest. So here we are going to calculate what? Interest. Okay, you all know the formula, simple interest formula. Interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. What is P? 85,000. What is R? 7% per annum. What is T? That is 2.5 years. I calculate 2.5 upon 100. 0, 0. Here also 0, 0 get cancelled. So what is remaining? 850 into 7 into 2.5. Multiply all these numbers, you will get 14,875 rupees. Therefore, Shrikant will receive rupees 14,875 at the end of the period. So that means after 2.5 years, how much he will get the interest? 14,875 rupees. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. Means here we don't know rate of interest. The period it is given, principal is given and interest is given. So we have to calculate here the rate of interest. So first we will write principal P equal to rupees 5,000. Period, that is T. How much? 4 years. At a interest, that is 1,200. You don't know rate of interest, we don't know. So we will apply the same formula. I, that is interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. What is principal? How much is the amount? 5,000. Rate is how much? We don't know. R we don't know. What is the time? That is period 4 upon 100. So interest we know, that is 1,200. Principal is 5,000. R T is 4 upon 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. So remaining is what? 1,200 equal to 50 into R into 4. Now keep the R here. This multiplication will become divide. Therefore R equal to 1,200 upon 50 into 4. 0, 0 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. So you got answer 6. Therefore, rate of interest is 6% per annum. So we have calculated the rate of interest. Now, what would be the interest on rupees 15,000 at the same rate of interest for the same period? Now, we want to calculate the interest now. Now, the principal is given rupees 15,000 at the same rate. So R will be 6% per annum at the same period. So period is T is 4 years. We have to calculate your interest. So what is the interest formula? Again P into R into T upon 100. What is principal? 15,000. What is R? 6. What is T? 4 upon 100. 0, 0, here also 0, 0 get cancelled. So what is remaining? 150 into 6 into 4. Multiply 150 into 6 into 4, we will get 3600. So how much interest we have to pay now? That is rupees 3600. Therefore the interest is rupees 3600. If Pankaj deposit 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10% per annum for 2 years. So how much is depositing? That is the principal. At the rate of 10% per annum. For how many years? For 2 years. So first we will write principal. Is how much? Rupees 1,50,000. In a bank at a rate of how much? 10% per annum. So rate of interest. %10 per annum. For how many years? 2 years. So period, that is 2 years. Now what is the total amount he will get from the bank? So we have to calculate total amount. So first we need to calculate the interest. So we will calculate the interest. Then we can calculate the amount. Now interest formula, we all know. What is the interest formula? P into R into T upon 100. What is P? 1,50,000. What is R? 10. What is T? 2 upon 100. 0, 0 get cancel. So what is that? 1500 into 10 into 2. Multiply 1500 into 10 into 2. You will get rupees 30,000. So interest how much you got? 30,000. Now we want to calculate what? Amount. Amount formula is what? Amount is principal plus interest. How much is the principal? 1,50,000 plus interest is how much? 30,000. So 1,50,000 plus 30,000. You add, you will get rupees 1,80,000. So amount is what? Principal plus interest. So I got amount how much? 1,80,000. So Pankaj will get how much from the bank? Pankaj will get rupees 1,80,000 from the bank.